Welcome to Gallery Teachers. My name is Pettigrew, and I'm going to talk about my session, How Do You Function? I'll be looking at functions. I'm looking at the context in which you teach them and some of the key things you need to think about, like stress, intonation, appropriacy, register. How do you deal with form? How do you practice them? What's problematic with functions for native and non-native speaking teachers? How can we share our ideas about how to deal with those problems? All the workarounds for what can be tricky with functions. The session will be looking at what I've discussed and also asking for your views and share your ideas.